Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create animations quickly and easily. No complicated software, no advanced skills needed. Let's dive right in. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials like this. Step 1, visit Kling AI. First, open your browser and go to klingai.com. Here, you'll find three main sections. AI images, create high-quality AI-generated images. AI videos, generate AI-powered videos. Effects, enhance and modify visuals with AI tools. Step 2, generate AI images. To create an AI-generated image, click on AI images and follow these steps. In the prompt box, type a detailed description of the image you want. Need inspiration? Try Kling AI's built-in suggestions. ChatGPT or other AI tools for better prompts. Checking existing AI-generated images. Want more control? Upload a reference image to guide the AI. Step 3. Customize and generate. Choose your image size. Select the number of images to generate. You get 66 free credits daily, so you can experiment without limits. Once everything is set, click Generate and let AI bring your vision to life. Step 3. Creating AI videos. Now let's generate a video. Click on AI videos. Choose between text to video or image to video. Text to video generates a clip based on your description. Image to video produces more accurate results by animating an uploaded image. Now, enter your prompt and select the creativity level. If you need professional mode or videos longer than 5 seconds, you'll need a paid plan. Adjust the image size and, if needed, add a negative prompt to exclude unwanted elements. You can also select a camera movement style to make your video more dynamic. This option lets you control how the scene moves, whether it's a smooth pan, a zoom-in effect, or a cinematic tracking shot. Once you're ready, click Generate and let Kling AI do the magic. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick and easy AI tutorials.